Hi, in today's video, I will be explaining the three different platforms I have been using in Canada for buying and selling stocks and my review on each of these three platforms. I have been using Wealthsimple for the last 2 years. This is a commission-free platform for Canadian stocks. It's absolutely free for buying and selling stocks on this platform, but for buying stocks that's listed in the US stock exchange, you will have to pay a conversion fee for converting your Canadian dollars into US dollars. So that's a conversion fee you will have to pay if you're buying US stocks, but for buying Canadian stocks, it's absolutely free. I opened a TFSA account on this platform because Canadians have a particular amount of contribution that they can contribute to their TFSA account, and opening a TFSA account was quite easy on this platform. I had to do a bit of documentation, which was quite easy and straightforward. If you're buying and selling stocks in Canada, I would definitely recommend you to open a TFSA account. Once you are on this platform, once you open a TFSA account, things are very straightforward. All you have to do is go and type the name of the company you want to buy. Here, example, I'm adding a Shopify, which is a stock that's traded in TSX, which stands for Toronto Stock Exchange. It's the Canadian Stock Exchange. So if you're buying a Canadian share, as I said earlier, you're not paying any commission. You can do either a market buy or a limit buy. And fractional buy, not every company stock has this option. A fractional buy means you can buy for a specific amount. So if I say I want to buy for $100, I will get, as you can see, 1.0, some fraction of the shares as well. But usually I don't do that. What I would usually do is either a market buy, which means my order will be executed at the current market price of the stock. And the market is open. If you place this order, your order will almost get executed immediately. And one thing to make sure is that if you're doing a market buy, it should be a company that is pretty much liquid, which means there is enough volume of shares per trader per day. So you can stick to limit buy and do that if you want to buy for a large quantity or a stock that is not very liquid. Let's say I'm buying 10 shares of this company. Even before buying, I can see the performance. As a quick summary of how the stock was performing last week, it was up by close to 3%. Last month, almost up by 49%, which is a huge return for within a month's period. So these are the few things that you need to check. And if you click on buy, this is, as you can see here, there is no commission. And another interesting feature that I like about this application is that you can keep your order open until fill or until I cancel, which means the order will, even if it is not executed, you don't have to place an order again the next day when the market opens. So this platform will let you keep your order open for 90 days until it gets filled. The same applies for even if you're selling your share. So if you click here and if you keep your order open for a max of 90 days, you can keep this order for a long period of time, and this will do the work for you. You don't have to track the market or anything. Tell the platform, I'm ready to buy the share at this particular price, and keep the order for 90 days. This platform will automatically invest in that company for you. The same applies for selling as well. If I confirm it now, the money will be deducted from my account, and this order will be placed. So I'm not placing this order right now. I will go to explain you the next platform that I have used in the past. I'm not using it anymore, and I will shortly explain you the reason why I am not using it anymore. It's Questrade. I have a margin account there. There is also a possibility of opening a TFSA account in Questrade. The platform has improved in its performance right now, because when I was using it, the platform was very slow. Order execution was quite slow, and there was a lot of time that takes for the platform keeps on loading forever. So it took me a long time to use this platform, that is the reason why I stopped using it. And again, as you can see here on the commission page of this website, you can see that the minimum commission they charge is close to $5, which is quite huge in my opinion, because you can absolutely do the same thing in Wealthsimple for absolutely no commission. And for options, they charge around $10, and it's quite high in my opinion. Another thing I forgot to tell you is that Wealthsimple also has an option for buying options, and it's like a pure gambling. They don't understand the full sense of what is options. Options is a derivative market, and you should be able to buy and sell options at the same time. Actually, investors use it for managing their portfolio and hedging their portfolio. But in Wealthsimple, you just have the opportunity to buy options, which means you're not doing it the right way, but you're just gambling. So maybe you can become profitable with some trades, but there is a high probability that you can lose money if you're just blindly buying options. So I would rather not use Wealthsimple for doing any of those. It's definitely a no for me, because it's not meant for any of the trading purpose. But Questrade is meant for a little bit meant for a trading purpose. That's why they have a better options trading platform. But again, I will not use it for, even for options, because they have a high commission. The third platform I have used in Canada is Interactive Brokers. This is highly like a trading terminal rather than an investing terminal. It's really good for trading because it's got a lot of things that is required for trading. I can show you here. I'm going to the options chain of an ETF, SPY. So you can see this is how the option chain looks like. Like I said about Wealthsimple, they only give you an opportunity to buy the options, but where in here you can buy and sell the options using the same platform. It's a really good platform if you're a trader, because as you can see here, there is a lot more opportunity for editing the price, what type of order you want to place. You can set up the profit taker, and you can even set up the stop loss. So it's more like a trading platform rather than an investing platform. So if you're more into trading and stuff like that, you can definitely check this platform out. But again, you need to be a little bit above average knowledge in terms of stocks and ETFs and options trading once you're in this platform, because this platform involves a significant amount of risk, and it's not easy for beginners to understand all the terminology. So I would rather stay away from this platform if you don't know what you're doing. If you want to do trading, short selling futures and options, this platform is the best in Canada right now. I would not use Questrade, or I would never use Wealthsimple for any of the secondary markets right now. Wealthsimple started with option buying, I think last year. When I started my Wealthsimple account, they never had anything for options. That is the reason why I was trying to find what are the terminals available. Then that's how I started using Interactive Brokers, and they have been consistent, and they have been really good in terms of options and all the secondary market. Questrade is a big no for me. Wealthsimple, for all my investment purpose, I use Wealthsimple. All my trading purpose, I use Interactive Brokers. And that's all what I wanted to share with you in today's video. Thank you for watching.